Major court ruling that could impact hundreds of DUI cases here in the Valley. A judge has tossed out key evidence in 11 drunk driving cases because of questions surrounding the Scottsdale Police Department's blood testing equipment. CBS 5's Jason Berry joins us live with the straight story. Jason.
This is a story we first told you about back in April that called into question and discussed 11 DUI cases that raised the question as to whether or not a crime lab technician had committed certain actions that compromised key evidence.
Getting drunk drivers off the road. That's the goal of law enforcement agencies across the state. But the Scottsdale Police Department is under scrutiny for potentially putting DUI offenders back behind the wheel. This just-released court order states that blood test results from 11 DUI cases will be thrown out because of problems surrounding the Scottsdale Crime Lab's blood testing equipment.
Yeah, it absolutely is.
Today, we sat down with attorneys representing some of the DUI defendants. They claim the Scottsdale Police Department violated the public's trust by using a piece of equipment they knew was not credible.
And science is all about following minimum standards, and the Scottsdale Crime Lab failed in that duty. So we had a crime lab that was acting as advocates. They were trying to get to a result rather than following the standard procedures.
The problem dates back to 2009 when a crime lab technician installed old software onto a new blood testing machine. But the old software may not have been compatible with the new equipment, possibly resulting in faulty results in some DUI cases. A few months ago, Scottsdale Police released this statement, saying their lab has been accredited since 1996. We have met or exceeded the rigorous standards set by the American Society of Crime Lab Directors. We continue to adhere to those standards. Attorney Lawrence Koplaw says the court ruling to throw out blood evidence for 11 defendants will now likely impact hundreds of other DUI cases.
I guarantee you if someone has had their case adjudicated in the city of Scottsdale before today, they're going to question that result. I bet jurors who have voted guilty on cases are going to question whether or not, you know what, did we actually give that person a fair trial?
Just minutes ago, a Scottsdale police spokesperson told us they still have confidence in their crime lab, their procedures, and their staff, and they have no plans on making any changes. They believe this ruling is about one piece of evidence strictly involving these 11 DUI cases, and they don't think it will have any other impact on any other cases. However, I'm told the blood testing machine in question has been temporarily removed, and they're not using it. Reporting live in Phoenix, Jason Berry, CBS 5 News.